I gotta maintain, yeah. Yeah, I gotta maintain. They want me dead. Yeah, these haters want me dead. Yeah, they wanna put purpose on my head. They want my bread. It's SK, another double MDC. Yeah, they hate on me just like they hate on Five Deuce. Hit him with 4 bullets, yeah, and he still kept the truth. You niggas is pussies. You niggas ain't killers. Nigga, we realers. YAH is double M in the game. Yeah, and I come through, yeah, with a double M insane. And who thought about my brain? Nobody before I did. Puts it down, cause I'm just that unfortunate lost one. Yeah, I'm a twin, I must admit. Yeah, I'm sick with it. Me dead, raw dog in the game. And these other niggas can't hang. I puts it down downtown Tulsa. That's where these niggas hustle. And this bitch ass nigga, you wanted to snitch on me and fuck up my grind. Had 3 demos, finna drop 2011. Now it's 2012. Now he destined to hell. I ain't got time to go with him. Fuck him. Yeah, his sister, his brother, I think his brother, his other sister, yeah, some of the bullshit happened. Cause the nigga was informer. Me dead. They want me dead. They want practice on my head. They want me dead. And put bullets on my head. In my dreams, I was dead. Shot 4 times. It was my brother. These niggas want me dead. They don't understand. Oh, who it be? It's a double MDC. Yeah, L to the D. They ain't heard about me. LL to the T. D M D C. Yeah, felt the pain like 3rd degree. When it hit it burned, but I ain't give time for him. Didn't take off, just kept on working. Yeah, them fools tried to jack me. They tried to get me, they tried to slip me, but I'm still alive. I'm on my grind, fucking with Pepe, Le Pew. Niggas is dying. I'm really crying. I'm on the inside, but I'm on the outside smiling. Yeah, profiling, doing my time and I'm grinding. Yeah, I got my own swag and I'm on my own wagon. Yeah, I ain't bragging, but you niggas is whack. I come through, yeah, you gon' feel the pain like Shaq. It's 20,000 what? It's 20,000 what? 20,000 stacks is what I wish I had in my hand right now. If I ain't seen a nigga with it, yeah, I'd probably get him if I knew if he was on the block. If I knew if he was on the block, then I'd probably get him. Yeah, probably get a strap from somebody and split him. But I ain't the type of nigga to catch a case and go to jail. I got me for 6 years already. They're trying to take 2 of them on the grind. But I'm still down for mine. And these niggas still want me dead. So fuck them. I'm low tone. If I had a strap, I'd buck them. I'm on my own grind. I've been homeless for a minute. And I ain't crying. They want me dead. They want me dead. They want me dead. They put practice on my head, bloody red. They want me dead. What's happening? It was my brother. It was a dream, man. I just shouldn't talk to my auntie that way that night. But oh well, they want me dead. Yeah, my ex woke me up, and I was tripping. Niggas thought they was gonna catch me slipping all up at the spot, trying to help my brother out, feed his dogs and shit. Yeah, I was hollering at a chick at the vet. Yeah, nigga tried to come in and shoot a soldier vet. But he should've known that I ain't the one that felt the chrome. Saw him other day, walking around, I think his name was Boucher. Yeah, with the dreads. I keep it long, and I keep it strong. So if you want me, nigga, if you want me, you come and get me. Nigga, you know where I'm at, on the spot. That's K, I claim the set. And that set is the mind of a soldier. I ain't give a fuck, ain't never give a fuck. Yeah, I thought I told ya. Fuck ya, yeah, nigga, that's real. Fuck you, nigga, yeah. On the block, on me, they want me dead, yeah. If I had dreads, they probably try to cut off my head, yeah. I puts it down for show. With Pepe Pew, yeah, I'm in this motherfucker. Low Tone Records, that's what they call it. This motherfucker, it's 2000 what? You know who it be? It's another double MDC, LTD. I'm always on the grind, getting down for mine. I'm tired of surviving, I'm tired of trying. If I had a strap, I'd probably start crying before I blow my brains out. But it ain't down like that, cause hell ain't me. I'm just a G, another MC, another double MDC. You know who it be? It's the LT. I ain't gonna stop. I ain't gonna stop breathing until y'all say it's over. Yeah, got my 4-leaf clover. I thought you know, bro. They want me dead. They want me dead.